Hello, this is Alexey. I continue to publish video tutorials and reviews. If this video will be useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button under this video. In this way, you will help other users to find necessary information and my channel will rank better. All links from the video can be found in the description below. In previous 3 video tutorials we create website on Joomla 4 from scratch. We use only free extensions. The result was a business website which was uploaded to the hosting. If you're interested in creating an online store on Joomla, I recommend watch my video tutorials about Virtual Mart. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about RSComments. RSComments is a paid component for Joomla 6, 5, 4 and 3. It has many settings, spam protection, multi-language support, inserting emojis, BB codes, videos and images in comments. Also, there is ability to import comments from KComment, Joomla comments, Uja comments, Commenter, JX comments, Joom comment and JComment. You can learn more about this component on its developer website. Here is some description. There are some screenshots. And of course, pricing. Also, if you wish, you can see the demo website. Here it is. Here you can not only see the component, but also try it. For example, write some comment, see some features, and so on. In my video tutorial, I will add comments to my demo website somewhere here. So let's install it. I already download the latest on this data version. Let's go here to RSComments. If we'll update the page, we will see comment system. Let's add some comment. I added some text. Let's add, for example, some emojis. Let's make this word bold. Let's insert, for example, this part of the text as quota. We can preview our comment like this. Also, let's subscribe. Let's see our terms and conditions. Let's enter built-in CAPTCHA and send the comment. OK, we can see the comment wasn't published. Let's go to comments. Here, as administrators, we can see this comment. We can change it, or we can just publish it. I'll update the page and we can see our comment here. Please pay attention that the design depends on the site template, so in your case it can look not like in my case, just knew it. We can vote, we can reply, we can format the text, not only with bold but also with italic, underline, and stroke. Also, I can subscribe, and to publish my comment I need to enter CAPTCHA. Also, after that I need go to admin panel as administrator and publish this comment. Like this. Here we can see our commands. This avatar takes from the Gravatar service. There is integration with Gravatar for RSComments, but if you wish, you can disable it. Now let's go to our component area. Here we can see some comments on the dashboard, some statistic. Here we can see different sections and options. Let's work with options. We can disable or enable some features, for example, disable RSS feed. Here it is. We can disable require consent. Here they are. Let's save our changes, update the page, and we can see there is no RSS link here and no contents here. Let's go to the comment form section. We can change comment form position below the command list or above the command list. We can enable accordion effect. We can change, for example, to close. We can hide characters count, my comments link, enable subscription checkbox. We can enable location if we have Google API key. We can disable show subject, so show website. This is this field, subject, website. We can disable terms of conditions checkbox. We can enable uploads. Enable or disable votes, smiles, BB codes, and Gliffy if you have API key. Now let's save it. Update the page. We can see our form here. We can see no email, no subject or website fields here. We can see attachment. Let's add some picture. I'll add some text, add captcha. Now let's go here to comments and publish my comment. Updating the page, and we can see some attachment here. We can see here my comment. We won't see any gravatar picture because for my email that I insert for this comment I have no gravatar pictures. And let's go to comment list. As I told you, we can enable or disable gravatar. We can change number of comments per page. After this number of comments, we will see some pagination. Here, load more comments. We can hide comments for these Joomla categories. We can change avatar size, change comment displayed order, enable reports. What is report? Here we can click report comment and write some text. For example, if this bad comment, we can write about it to administrator. Administrator will look at it and maybe disable it. We can enable report notification, enable email notification. Here in spam protection, we can enable built-in captcha, reCAPTCHA v2, hCAPTCHA, but for reCAPTCHA v2 or hCAPTCHA, we need to enter some API integrations key, and for built-in captcha we won't need any integrations. For more protection from spam, here in filters we can get API key for Ximit and enter it here. Also, we can enable forbidden names for commenters, censor words, block some users, block some IPs, so there are some options to protect your contacts from spam. Here in automation we can enter hide comment limit, unpublish comment reports limit, and in permissions We can change some limitation for different groups, but if you don't know what you're doing, just leave it like that. Okay, let's go to comments. We already saw them. Here are some filters. You can sort or find necessary commands. Also, there are batch options for publish, unpublish, delete, and clear voice. Here in emotions, you can change this emotion settings. Here they are. You can change the images. For example, you can change existing one or add new one. Also, of course, you can delete existing ones. In subscriptions, you can see users who subscribe to receive some notifications about your commands. In group permissions, for example, for public groups, we can change some settings. We can enable auto-publishing new commands for public, disable CAPTCHA, allow to open or close threads. Also, here in BB codes, we can enable additional BB codes. Let's insert YouTube video. Just insert a link. Also, let's add some text for a list, for example, like this and like this. And let's see what we've got. Oh, I forgot to enter this mandatory data. As you can see, there is no CAPTCHA here. Okay, the command was published automatically. Here we can see the link. Here we can see our lists and our YouTube video. It's worked fine. So, in this way, you can create new rules, for example, for other user groups with different settings for group details and BB codes. Here in import section, you need to install plugins to import commands from other command components if RSComments have integration with it, or use Advanced tab to set up connection to your database and import them from the existing database if there are no integration for RSComments at the moment. Here in Messages, we can change some messages for example, closed commands, commands is deny. Also, we can enter some global message. Let's update the page and we can see this global message here. We can change notification message. We'll receive this notification on our emails. And of course, we can change term and conditions text. I hope this video tutorial have helped you with better understanding RSComments capabilities. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, this is Alexey, see you soon in new tutorials.